Today is Tuesday, December 20th, and we are here with our patient Eileen, and we're going to interview her about some experiences in our dental office. Hi, Eileen.
Hi.
First of all, I'd like to know, what was some of your concerns and reasons for coming to our practice as a new patient?
Well, I wanted my teeth straightened as well as I needed a new dentist. My teeth were getting crowded, and once I heard about this Invisalign thing, I was very, very interested. And I had been looking at a bunch of different things and coupons and stuff like that when I got the flyer for here, and gave you guys a call, and that was it. Yeah.
Okay. And what can you tell me about some of your past dental experiences?
Not necessarily good ones. I had my most recent dentist, I haven't been back to that person in a couple of years, 3, I guess, because I didn't feel necessarily comfortable in her accuracy when I have to point out a cavity that she missed for her to fill that was right in the front of my mouth. I thought she didn't have it quite all together. As well as it wasn't a pain-free experience, but then I suppose maybe not all of them are. Because of that, I had to get not because of what, I had to get a bridge, and that ended up causing most of the crowding that I'm experiencing now, because it was just pushing everything forward. And when I mentioned to her that I was having bite problems, that things in the back weren't matching, she put a piece of paper in it and kind of tugged and said, "Oh, see, you've got a bite." And even though I could feel that my teeth certainly weren't, eating and everything, it just wasn't matching. And she was just like, "Yeah, looks fine for me." And that's one of the things that I mentioned to Dr. Steppler, and that's something we're working on.
Okay. And what is the best thing or things about your dental visits here in our practice that you like?
Yeah, I really like this place. It's small, so everybody knows you. I walk in. I don't have to walk up and say, "Hi, this is Eileen. I have an appointment." They know exactly who I am. Everybody is super friendly, and it's kind of, even though I haven't been coming here long, it's really kind of a family atmosphere. Okay. We talk about personal things as well, and they take time with you. You never feel like, okay, great, yeah, I'm glad your life's going well. I got, patience, which is very nice to feel that kind of attention.
Okay. Can you tell me about your dental treatment currently, and how your new smile is changing your life?
Yeah. I'm getting the Invisalign, and I haven't had it for long. It's actually only been a couple of months. And I can feel the changes already. And the thing is there's nothing worse than I'm going to go with middle-aged woman, with braces. So, it just seems odd to me, and although I give the people that I've seen a lot of credit for having that kind of courage, I don't have that kind of courage. So this idea of invisible braces, I just love. And I've had a lot of medical issues in my life that have changed I can't change certain things about my appearance because of the issues that I've had, and my teeth are something I can't change. So it's actually in knowing that my smile is coming back, and my teeth are actually getting whiter because I have to brush my teeth more often, because I'm putting these things back in my mouth, and you don't want to kind of hook all the food in there. So I know they're getting whiter, I know they're getting straighter, and that makes me feel more confident, and I'm smiling more, which in my opinion causes other people to smile more, and I think it just makes a lot of people more happy, and I'm certainly happier knowing that I'm really excited about this whole deal.
Good. How has your experience in our office changed your outlook on dentistry?
Well, I haven't had any fillings done or anything like that, but I know that when I did come in and they were cleaning them, and before we started talking about the Invisalign, I felt that everything was very thorough. They seemed to look at every tooth, and I felt like everything. I wasn't just a body under a massive teeth. That these people were looking at me, and that's something you don't really get in a lot of dentist offices. And so even though no one likes to come back to have fillings done, I'd be more likely to come back here, whereas I didn't go to my last dentist for 3 years. So
Okay.
obviously I'm more likely to come back here. So.
Okay. And what would you like to share, Eileen, with your friends and other people and acquaintances about your visits at our office?
I would definitely recommend this place. For one, like I've said, I love how small and personal everything is here. That everybody is so friendly. The doctor is super friendly, and I feel comfortable. And because of other people I've talked to, because I've actually talked to other patients as well, I definitely feel that you're going to get a good job done. I've already recommended him to my husband, who was like me and hasn't been to a dentist in a long time. He doesn't have time, but I'd like to get him to. And I would definitely, anybody who was looking for somebody, I would say, come to this place. It's small, personal, and you don't get lost in the shuffle of files and people shuffling in and out, and it's very personal, and you feel welcome.
Okay, great. Thanks, Eileen.
Sure.